Hey there, we got the smart keypad deadbolt. Let's open it up and check it out.
This is a Palm Vein smart keyless entry door lock. In the box is the Palm Vein door lock with a video doorbell and camera, keypad, and wireless chime. This door lock is compatible with most standard US and Canadian deadbolt spacings. It can be installed in just 15 minutes without any drilling. The Palm Vein smart lock is equipped with a massive 10,500 microamp hour rechargeable battery. This ensures continuous and long-lasting operation. No more frequent battery replacements, making it more environmentally friendly. The smart lock features an IP65 waterproof rating and can operate reliably within a temperature range of -22 degrees Fahrenheit to 150 degrees Fahrenheit. Experience keyless convenience designed for everyone. This smart door lock offers 5 secure ways to enter: advanced Palm Vein scanning, personalized passcodes, smartphone app remote control, and voice commands. This works with Alexa and Google Assistant, perfectly adapting families, guests, and rental needs. The 2K ultra-wide camera and video doorbell is integrated into your smart door lock. The 110-degree 2000 panoramic camera and video doorbell eliminate blind spots for full visibility. A wireless chime is also included, so you can place it and never miss a visitor. Receive smart PIR alerts, see clearly day and night, and communicate through two-way talk, all with local subscription-free security. Unlock your doors in just 0.6 seconds with the Palm Vein recognition technology, boasting a 99.9% recognition accuracy. The palm lock scans the unique internal vein patterns of your palm, offering maximum security that can't be copied. Your biometric data is encrypted and stored locally on the drive, ensuring your privacy is always protected. With the contactless palm recognition scanner, you can scan 32 Palm Vein IDs. You can also manage your smart lock and home access on the go, anytime, anywhere remote control via your phone and the app. The door lock is equipped with a 15-second video pre-recording for smarter, stronger family protection. It has motion detection capabilities and real-time notifications provided to you. This door lock has high security with Palm Vein unlocking, 2K ultra-wide camera and doorbell, keyless entry freedom, unlocking flexibility, large capacity battery, and enhanced durability. It's user-friendly with installation and customer support. It's also equipped with emergency unlock methods, the USB-C emergency charging port, and the mechanical key that inserts into the handle. This lock enhances security in your home.